Hey, what's up, y'all? Happy Friday to you. And the war is going on still. Market coming down. I know some people might be running out of money, but if you can do some Uber Eats, DoorDash, try to get your hands on some change. Pay your bills and all that first. Take care of your family, but try to have some extra income coming in because you're gonna love these prices. I know you keep seeing a new floor, and some of y'all might be new, but you're gonna regret not buying at these prices once this market take off. All it takes is over the weekend, Trump can say the war is over with, and Monday when things turn around, the market gonna skyrocket. So y'all subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, watch some recent videos, share my channel. Also, that's why I saved my margin for these kind of times, so I can make money using other people's money, which the rich call and wealthy call OPM. All this stuff I'm buying cheap, I'm gonna get the dividends for it. If they dividend stocks while I'm holding it, I'm gonna get the dividends quarterly, monthly, or weekly. Then for the growth stocks and the dividend stocks, when they go up, say the growth stocks, well, I'm going to stick to the dividend stocks, do one at a time. Dividend stocks I'm buying now, whether they play quarterly, weekly, or monthly. I'm going to get paid for holding the shares until the market starts to take off. And once the market starts to take off, um, if I want to sell those shares, say if I had 500 shares and I add an additional 500 during this time here, I can sell those 500 shares once they go up $2 a share, whatever price I like, and keep my remaining shares for the dividends. Once I sell them, that'll pay back the margin. And I also made money on the price of appreciation, being that I sold them at a higher price. And I still got my original 500 shares that I can keep for the dividend or whatever I want to do with it. As for growth stocks, you're going to buy them cheap. Growth stocks, you got to sell, buy low, sell high. Buy them at this price here. When it go up, you can sell your whole position in it, or you can scalp profits, just take the profits and let the rest run. Or you can take your initial investment out and play with the house money. Being that if you invested 500 and it's worth 800, you can take your initial 5 out and let the 3 just ride. You're playing with the house money then. But subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, watch my recent videos, share my channel also. All right, let's get paid, man. Let's trade. I'm setting up a bunch of swing trades, like I told y'all in the last 2 weeks. We're gonna start to ticker WEN. I'm gonna be doing a lot of swing trading. Wendy's been dipping down to about 673, then it'll ride back up to about 724, 732, 741 being the best. What I've been doing was buying in between the 680, 700, 680 range, 673 range. And I've been selling it between 710 and 732, just lowering my average calls. As you see right now, I got average calls of 717. I just added some more shares on. So that's what I'm doing now. You also get a 9.59% quarterly dividend. So now I'm at 717. If it goes up to 724, I sell it. My whole position gone. And I be out of this play and rinse and repeat. Just rinse and repeat. Then it goes down, sell it, and let it just be that there. Anyway, 678. I'm gonna go in and just get me another $50 worth at this price. I'm gonna ride it on down. Wendy's, our closing locations, all that kind of stuff. So they should come out good. Like I said, I'm buying it to sell. Weeble is right here. Weeble got down to 479 today. It's at 489. I'm actually gonna get me a couple shares of Weeble. So I'm gonna sell Weeble at 6. My first out gonna be 638. Some of these shares here I can sell at like 621 though. 4.79. That's why I'm using margin, other people's money. Anyway, I'm gonna have to cancel some buy orders I have in. So let me come back to Weeble, but go get you some of that. All right, let's start off with this list, man. We're gonna go with Coinbase. Definitely having a down day. Like I say, this is when you want to reinvest those dividends that you get every week. It's when you want to reinvest them back. Do I load up? No. Coinbase is down. I mean, fiat is up. HPP had a good run on yesterday. You want to buy it at this price and sell it over the $6 mark. And rinse and repeat. ORC, 12 cent a share month. Got down to 688. Right at 688 again. Definitely going about to get some shares of this right here. By that cash flow. Let me get you up out the way. 6.88. One thing about these monthly payers, they pay them dividends every month, so it pays back the cash balance by itself. We're gonna go with PMT. Need to get this in another portfolio. Got down to 1121. Gotta go add some of this on. $9. I'm at like 1146 in this portfolio, if I'm not mistaken. 1142. TU Telus. 1268. Still trading at that mark. Lower my average cost right there some more. At 1347. Got a nice dividend yield there too. That's a Canadian communications company. Charge point got down to 485 at 477. I meant to get 100, but some charge point right there. Some CRF, $6.64. Definitely get some of that. Be another $5 worth. That's a nice number, man, for CRF. That's going to go back past the $7 mark. That's a perfect swing trade. Let's pay 12 cents a share every month. Gonna get some CLM too, which is like his brother or his sister. You can only have one, that'll be fine. Down to 694 today. Let's see how many shares I got. 730, 5.6. Knock that down. OXSQ going at $1.66, pay 3.5 cents a share every month. It's a nice price right there, 166. I think I brought 100 shares on yesterday. Go with Robinhood. Just going to get some at market price, man. You ain't got to load up on nothing. I already did CLM. We did Bull, PSEC. 4.5 cents a share every month, $2.49. Some more cash flow there. Brought some Misty. Being at this pullback. $10 worth for that. You know that pay out every week. YMAX. I did grab like 5 shares of that or something. All it's gonna go back up once the market get back bullish. A lot of people selling this one because they ain't gonna say they decreased the dividend, but the payout this week was kind of weak. But we're gonna see what's gonna happen with it. I never sell it. I just reinvest the dividends into a YMAG or another play. I'm actually loving just dealing with the Magnificent Seven. S&P 500 just getting whooped right about now, so it's definitely gonna go back up. Should go back to the $13 mark. Bought some block. I had a position in this Cash App. Got a 52-week high of $82.50, a low of $44.27. Got this 85% buy, 13% hold. So I'm adding to my position on block. Definitely added some more Amazon. 52-week high of $260. It's right at the $200 mark. We'll pick you up some of that. Added some Capital One, 175.75. Got down to 52-week high of $260. Baxter for y'all upside down in this one's got down to $16.19. Actually, it's under there. For you, I know a lot of y'all want to get up out of it. It's the prices you got to buy at. So when they go back up, you can make your exit in the green. Tesla, definitely getting some of this. 361.37. Go get you some Tesla. 52 high, like 485, 480. TSM, Taiwan Semiconductor. Came down to 322.31. 52-week high is 390. So they make the chips for everybody. Got Uber down at 68.46. 52-week high is $101. So $40 upside per share. XLF, financial sector ETF, definitely getting that. $47.95. Got a high of $56. That's a buy and hold ETF. GIS, General Mills, $35.85. 6.75% dividend yield. Flowers Foods is bullish today. Out of everything, this one that's bullish. They must have got some good news. I know Netflix hiking this. It's so subscription price like $2 a piece, like $2 per tier. You got the first tier from $7.99, now $8.99, and the other two is up $2. The tier I got $24.99 is $26.99, and one under that, I think it was $17.99. That's $19.99. Flowers Food, 11.75% yield. I'm selling all my shares at $9. Rinse and repeat. DHS is a dividend ETF similar to SCHD. I got some on the $1 day recurring. I am up 28%. These are the top 10 holdings: Exxon, AbbVie, Merck, AT&T, Verizon, Altria, Philip Morris, Chevron, Pepsi, Bristol Myers Squibb. Add a little $5 on right here now that the market's pulling back. Clip, get some monthly cash flow, $25.90, $25.94. Better fast, stay out of this one. This one I'm swing trading my way out of too. Gonna sell this above the $10 mark. Pushing this way back up there. Like I said, it's time you want to get low in these stocks you want to get rid of. Like I said, I'm selling it. You just go to about $10.15. I'm gonna dump it right at 10. I bought some the other day at like $9.60 something, make 40-50 cents a share, and then rinse and repeat. I just want to lower my average cost, keep the remaining shares I had. I'm just selling the shares that I'm buying at these prices, not selling everything. SRLN will get some of that 8% dividend yield, pay out every month, 25-28 cents a share. Got RPT, $13.25. Got a 10% dividend yield, pay out every quarter. One of my favorites, SVOL, $15.17. This one definitely came down. I brought this yesterday at $15.66, $15.40. But I did load up on it. Look at my dividend payment, $94.45. It's got a 52-week low of $13.18. Meant to do 100, but it is what it is. Add me some more shares on there. Definitely liking that price. Paid 28. Usually pay 30 cents a share a month. This month is paid 28 cents because of the price. Got about a 20-something% yield. IWMY 1784. You buy 5 shares of this every day. It's at 1766 because I want to get me 500 shares. So there's no better time to do it than now. $17.66. Pays the dividend every month, every week. Pays like 10 point something cent a share every month. Get like 42 cents a month off it. QQQY getting his butt whooped. I want my 500 shares of this one here also. This QQQY got a lot of tech stuff in it. So this definitely gonna get whooped. Another one with the S&P 500 spit. Options on it, pay between 28 to 32 cents a share. Buying up cash flow, y'all. Y'all just seeing if the order went on through. Yep, it did. Nike 5142. It'll make me cancel my I got a sale order for Nike at $56. Another one I'm at to come back to. I think about buying it another portfolio too. YMAG, I got enough Nike. But we did YMAG already. Got Earn. $4.37. 8 cents a share every month. It's gonna be a nice swing trade when it go back past the $5 mark. UPS got down to 95.33. It's coming back down. Dollar cost average on in. $82, 52-week low, 52-week high, 122.41. Be a nice swing trade for you and a nice dividend payer. That's SoFi, $15.15. 18.36. It's my average cost. All right, ACHR, and I got one more on the list, and I can finish up this trade. Got a long list today, man. 511. It's another one I'm holding at $7, probably $7.50. Got Ready Capital. Down to 153 today. Another one I'm a swing trade and get rid of. All right, let's go check out traps, man. Pretty much everything down, so just really up to what you want to buy. Energy Transfer made a new 52-week high. But I keep it just for the dividend at 6.82% dividend yield. How much am I up, though? I could scalp some profits. But I done scalped profits before on it. Up 247. Ain't no biggie. That dividend's worth it. So I know once I sell it, I'm not buying anymore. But that, Lakeland Platt. Definitely stay out of this play. This stock sucks. See what I can swing trade out of it. Buy some of it now when it go back. See if I just buy $40 worth, I'ma sell it. If I buy 40 at 972, it go up to 1160. I'ma sell it $40 worth and keep on moving. Good Gladstone product, pay out every month. It's at 1193, it's at 1114. I need to get some Glad, SCSM getting beat up. Pay out every month. Granite Point, another swing trade. Stay out of this one. He did say he gonna start paying the DHS people, so that's gonna make things better, take a little pressure off them, even though the shutdown's still going on. LFT, came down to 121. Another one gonna be a swing trade. Got it almost down. I'm at 1. I be selling this at $1.40. So that's what all these shares I'm buying. I'm gonna sell them, keep the rest. It's gonna lower my average cost. I'm at $1.45 now because I've been buying it and selling it. This CHMI don't want to go to. I need this to go to $3 so I can get up out of that one. ARCECC Aries pay out every month. 10.71% yield. SLRC pay out every month. Anytime you can get this under, didn't mean to do that. There we go. That's what it's about, man. Just buying up cash flow at these bad times. TCPC, OBDCs, definitely need to go get some of them at these prices. I'll stay out of these if I was y'all. I just go with the PSEC. If I'm going to take Reds PSEC, I go with OXSQ before this one. At least they pay every month. Comcast, another one on to make my escape out of. Might not let me buy any because I think I got a sale order. MFIC, got Starwood. Nice quarterly pair here. Buying up cash flow, double digit BDC. Starwood, another one. %11 dividend yield. PFLT. Gotta love that price. How many shares I got? 937, 373. This one I want to swing trade to lower my average cost, buying low, selling high. That's the day I brought 25 at 803. This pays out every month too. 398. All right, HRZN is another one you can pair that with. Nice one. Oh man, shit. Excuse my French. Go back to where I was. There we go. PFLT, Nike, Brandywine. Stay out of Brandywine. Morgan Stanley. It's a bank stock, down another 2.89%. Got Telus, ABR, need that around $7. Capital Southwest start paying out monthly. Got to get Redwood Trust. Lionel Basel on the tail. It's going to go back past the $6 mark. RWT. MFA Financial. 952, 1034. GSBD got a sell order in at 9 something. It was 9. They're gonna make me try to sell, cancel my order. No, they didn't. It'll work. MSFO 11.5 shares. Pay out every week. .49. Gotta get AMZY 18.3 shares. DISO is getting whooped. My options on Disney. Won't be a bad time to grab some. I also pay out every week. How many shares I got? 70.8. All right, add on there. MITT, y'all can stay out of this one. All right, about done with this trade, man. FSK. Got Spit, Nvidia coming down, so time to buy NVDY. 17.9 shares also pay out every week. All right, QQQY. I am Wendy's. You can see dollar cost averaging down in that one. Go get some of that in another portfolio. I need to make my exit out of Wendy's. But it's just going to be a trade for me, not an investment. QDTE. Also pays out every week. Get some XDTE2. Hopefully get some good news of the war ending this weekend and everything can go back to normal. Well, sort of normal. Even the normal sucks, but it is what it is. Long trade for the day, man. FBY, Facebook getting handled right about now. AIPI, CHPY, all this pay out every week. It's the real estate ETF right here. Got that on a dollar-day recurring. Going to double down a little bit on that one. Some CHPY. I'm at 50, it's at 54, so I'm up. We'll leave that one alone. Got Bull Hood, SoFi, all that. Get GPTY. With the crypto and AI, with AI and tech, it's getting whooped. Knock down the average cost. All right, 39. So when it go back up, I'll be in the red, the green. BTCC. Right where I like it, on the $16 mark. 15.58. It's pay out every other week. YBit now 3.52%. That's why Bitcoin and what the other one is down, Misty. Add some Tesla on. All right, we did do Coinbase. AIYY getting stumped. It's the artificial intelligence ETF. Maggie Magnificent 7. I got a bunch of duplicates of the same stuff. When things go back up, I'm going to cut some of them. Something I'm not worried about. You got Defiance, Yield Max, Round Hills. Got some more HPP on. I'm selling everything above the $6 mark. Had a good boom yesterday. Good run. Get a fat. Let me get. Get another 10. PayPal not worrying about. Got Misty. Oh boy. What a day in this market. 547, 582. Just pay out every month. Yeah, some PCF. Get some ACP. This actually trades around 560. You can tell this market bad, man. Definitely will get GOF 18 cent a share a month. I'm gonna get my average below the $11 mark. I think I'm right at knocking at the $11. All right, PDI. 1661. Got the GOF 1074. At 1106. 1066. It's gonna go back past $12. And this gonna be my last day of big buying too, man. Think about just going to put the stocks I like on $5 a day recurring. And just don't even trade. Just let the market do what it's gonna do. And go revisit it when the war's over. That's what I'm thinking about doing, Biggie. Gotta get a whole share now. Can't get fractional shares anymore. Anyway, y'all enjoy y'all weekend, man. Crazy out here. Stay safe. Get some of this, man, and I'm up out of here. Go to the gym, get me a little workout in, and spring break next week. Kids out of school, so hit this road and head out to Florida. Signing off. Go get your money.